Open the UF arm. Insert the UF battery. Press the drone switch. Place the UF on the level ground. Turn on the remote control. Press the switch to connect the UF automatically. Gyroscope calibration. Tail lamp flashes quickly during calibration. Geomagnetic calibration. Pick up the UF and rotate it horizontally clockwise for 3 turns. After sound dropping, the machine head shall be vertically rotated clockwise for 3 turns. The tail lamp is always on after geomagnetic calibration. Download app. Connect Wi-Fi. Open the app and wait for the completion of star search. One button unlocking. Push the accelerator to take off. Camera up. Camera down. Rise. Decline. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Left rotation. Right rotation. One-click return. Automatic return to takeoff point. Speed shift. Indoor mode. One button switch. Indoor mode. Indoor flight. Replace your blades. Loosen the screws. Replace the fan blade. Tighten the screws. Connect the power supply to charge the battery. The battery is fully charged when the red light is off. Connect the power supply to charge the remote control. The remote control is fully charged when the green light is off.